Good morning everyone, I'm Hafiza. I'm studying BTech in Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. Today I'm here to give a presentation on extinction of species in biodiversity. And these are the contents. Definition of biodiversity, uses of biodiversity, changes occur in biodiversity, steps to protect biodiversity, case study of reporter. And this is introduction part. Now I'm telling briefly introduction. Biodiversity is all the different kinds of life, one area to another area. The variety of animals, plants, fungi, and other even organisms like bacteria to make up natural growth. And the extinction of species is a crucial topic within the broader content of biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life, all all other forms, including different plants, animals, and other even organisms, the genetic information they contain, and the ecosystems they form. Extinction occurs when a species completely disappears, balance in nature. Now I'm telling what is biodiversity. Biodiversity is the variety of life on Earth, including the variety of species, the genetic diversity within the each species, and the ecosystems they form. Biodiversity is essential for the stability and resilience of ecosystems, providing a wide array of services and benefits to humans, such as food, water, medicine, and clean air. And benefits of biodiversity is food, drink, medicine, proper international industrial materials. And this is uses of biodiversity. Biodiversity is a important for many reasons, including this: ecological balance. Biodiversity maintains the balance of ecosystems by ensuring that each organism contributes to its functioning. And second one is climate regulation. Biodiversity helps regulate the earth climate by releasing oxygen and controlling carbon dioxide levels. Air and water purification. Biodiversity helps keep the air and water cleaner for human beings and other organisms. And food and fiber. Biodiversity provides food and fiber for human beings and other organisms. Human health. Biodiversity supports human health by providing medicines and regulating the environment. Recreation. Recreation is biodiversity supports recreational activities like hiking, fishing, and bird watching. And second one is genetic diversity. Biodiversity provides valuable genetic diversity that is the result of millions of years of evolution. Indicator and interdependence. Biodiversity is a good indicator how of how humans and other living organisms are independent are interdependent. Here it is pictorial form of change of biodiversity in nature, climate, and atmosphere. We can clearly get an idea about extinction of biodiversity, how does it occurs, and how it happened in the pictorial form. And this is steps to protect biodiversity. Protecting biodiversity is a multi-type effect that involves various strategies. And first one is conversion of habitats, natural habitats through the establishment of protected areas like national parks and wildlife reserves. Sustainable practices, promoting sustainable agriculture, um, forestry, and fishing practices to reduce habitat destruction and over exploitation of resources. Pollution control, reducing pollution from industrial, agriculture, and urban sources to protect ecosystems and species. And climate change mitigation, implementing measures to a climate change as a drastically affects biodiversity. Legislation and policies, enforcing laws and regulations that protect species and ecosystems. Education and awareness. Raising public awareness about the importance of biodiversity and encouraging community involvement in conservation efforts. Restore restoration projects, engaging in projects to restore degraded ecosystems and reintroduce species to their natural habitats. An important of biodiversity is food, drugs, industrial materials like fibers, dyes, resins, gums, and rubber and oil are derived directly from plant, and maintaining ecosystems from water supply. And these are the conclusion part. Biodiversity losses and extinction are a major global change that has a negative consequence for both the environment and human beings. Thank you for giving this opportunity.